Hi, we're Roxy Swain. We're celebrating our 10th anniversary and prepping to record our 4th record. We're raising money and we need your help. We want to make the best record we've ever made, and we want you to be part of our creative process. We're offering never-before-heard music, new merchandise, including exclusive artwork from a local artist, posters, and t-shirts. You even have a chance to have Roxy Swain play a show for you or write you an exclusive song. Won't you help be a producer of the next Roxy Swain record? We can't do this without your support.
But you